Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be building a sewing station that comes out of an ordinary base cabinet. Let's go ahead and break out the track saw, connect the two 55-inch tracks, and break down our sheet goods. Alright, now we're going to break out the Kreg K5. It's probably one of my favorite Kreg products. This thing, I thought about getting the K4 because it was a little cheaper, but this front handle is so much better. I don't even think you could do large sheet goods like this with a K4. Now that I got everything cut out and pockled, we're going to go ahead and move to assembly. In a second, we'll go into SketchUp so I can kind of explain how this thing's going to go together. Okay, now that that's all screwed together, let's go into SketchUp and check out what we're working on. Let's get rid of this cabinet and get rid of all these other parts. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. We got the outer box made. Now I gotta build this, build the inner structure that holds the leaf up, get the drawer slides mounted, and then get the top on. Now I'm gonna get to building the slide out part. Gonna throw the three sides together, flip it upside down, throw the top on, cut the piano hinge to length, and get it pre-drilled. You can see Sherry's working really hard on those hooks. Those have been really popular on our Etsy store. Check it out at 9 Lives Furnishings. I'll put a link in the description below. Now I'm just test fitting the slide out in the box and making sure everything's gonna work correctly. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and cut out the leaf support. How I like to do this is draw your door. On the hinge line, go ahead and screw your hinge on. Go ahead and cut all the lines around the hinge. Finish it off with a jigsaw. Take the hinge off. Cut the hinge line. That way when you screw the hinge back on, you have a perfect saw blade reveal all the way around. When I originally drew this up, I put these little stops in here, these funky little triangle things, just to serve as kind of a concept. Now, one of the issues that I came up with when I built this is like, I can't pull this thing out. So I built a piece that serves two functions. First function being a nice little pull. You can just reach down there, pull the slide out, and then when you raise the table up, it will serve as a stop. Now that everything's painted, the last step is to turn these doors into a bifold door so they're not in the way when the sewing station is in use.